Come on in, let's talk today. Questions answered every way. Knowledge shared with laughter.
Hello, welcome back to Odetta Unedited, and today I'm actually pretty excited because my brother, who I haven't seen for how long now, actually close to 4 years, my only brother, by the way, that's alive, and this is my mother's son, so it's my, my matrimony, I don't know the term, anyway, my mother's son. So we grew up together, although I'm 10 years older than him, so there was some amount of differences there. But he's coming back home, having worked overseas for several years, and his job kept extending his assignment or the job that he was doing. So he's coming home after that long. We have had many family reunions, many family dinners and events that he didn't make. And I'm extremely happy that I'll get to see my brother after years. And what we did was we created this basket. There's the basket. So it says, "Welcome home, a taste of home in every bite." And it has that nice welcome home balloon right there. And what we did was we basically, and you can't see it now, I'll try to get, he doesn't like the camera, but I'll try to get footage of him opening the basket so you can see what's in it. But basically, we put in it every single Jamaican snack or treat or something which is a taste of home, meaning Jamaica, because he wouldn't have had access to it, or at least ready access to it, because of where he was working overseas. So we're gonna greet him at the airport, give him his basket. It's gonna be my mother, which is his mother as well, his only child, which is my nephew, and I know you guys have seen Jay Sean in many of my videos. So I'm going to Jay Sean's school. I'm gonna pick him up first. Then we go to the airport. My mother is gonna meet me at the airport, and then we're gonna welcome my brother home. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Now remember, he doesn't love the camera that much, so I may just have to record his hands doing things, because you know you have to respect everybody's privacy. But I'll take you along as much as possible. And then we're staying, we're gonna overnight somewhere. I can't say where yet. We're trying a new hotel because I have a meeting in that part of Jamaica. So after everything with my brother, then we're gonna head to this property, and then in the morning I'm gonna have a meeting. You know, I can't share all my business with you. I can't tell you the thing until the thing is materialized and it's there. So this is the planning part. So I won't take you to the meeting, but I'll show you probably scenes on the way. I'll also show you what's going on at this particular hotel, probably do a little room tour or something like that. So stay tuned for all of that. Right now we're in the mountains. We're on the highway. So it's a little bit overcast. Well, it's overcast because it was raining, which is my favorite kind of day. So I'm looking forward to an exciting day.
Getting away?
What's up, my brother? What, man? Not a thing, me there. Exactly. Oh, sis, give me a break. Put this on your foot. Let me put this up. God.
Yeah, this year.
Yeah, true.
That didn't know the money then.
You serious? Let me go for something for you. You hear?
You don't know the money then.
This is yours. Welcome home, my brother. This have every Jamaican snack in the world where you not eat for a while, or everything Jamaican. So everything when me sure says enough of them you not eat for a while, my brother.
Thank you, my sister. I love you.
I love you too. Hey, mami pa. This is Brett's room. I think both rooms are gonna be identical. This is robe. Rooms are pretty small, but we're just spending a night and sleeping. Not sure, baby. I'll show you soon. There's a balcony there. This is my room, and it's the identical room. I'm claustrophobic, so this tiny bathroom, I guess this is the last time I'm coming to this property. Because this is extremely small, so this door won't be closed at all, but it's still very nice. So if you're not claustrophobic, this is a nice space, and the usual robe and stuff. The room is the same as my son's room, it's just on a different wall, that's all. Pretty basic, but it does the job, because we're here for one night and to facilitate my meetings in the morning. Interesting that that is the all-inclusive property and the only thing in the fridge is water. So it's different from what I've seen, but it is what it is. Now this is my pre-packed cosmetic bag, and I'd say one of the best things to happen to me when it comes to going out of town or traveling and just having everything on the go. It has two nice straps here. It's like a double compartment, so if you're someone who travels a lot or travel at all, or you know, you're on frequent road trips, this is ideal for holding everything that you, in my opinion, could possibly need. It opens, it's a double zip. It opens this way, and then it opens up into this, and then it has two sections which you can put all your cosmetics here, contact lens fluid, deodorant, hair stuff, perfume, and then on this side I have like my makeup remover wipes and other emergency stuff like extra contact lens sewing kit in that little pocket area. But then you zip this pocket area around, and there's another area. This is my sponge that I use to bathe, and then these are disposable toilet seat covers, the cleaning stuff, you know, the bed bug spray and the stuff to make sure the room is clean if I need it. And then it fits every single thing I'll need to include everything I need. And then this is my cosmetic bag, which I guess this is more makeup than anything. It's a box, it's a hard shell box, and this also is one of the better things that has happened to me at my age, because I don't unpack my makeup. I just keep it in this box. So whenever I'm going out of town or I'm going anywhere, I just grab it and go, and everything is already in here. These are lip and eyeliners. This is like a mini mirror. That's a magnifying mirror that you get with it. Of course, it comes with a mirror that has different modes for lighting as well. You can turn it up, turn it down, turn it yellow, and then it fits everything I need, to include many options for lip color and eye pencils, sharpener, everything I need basically fits in here. And I close it, and it's very easy to carry. So now I need to go and take off the makeup from my face, take a quick shower, and then try to get some sleep in so I'm fresh tomorrow for my meetings. So see you guys tomorrow. And I took my brother home. I didn't even get to capture, but before I say see you guys tomorrow, I didn't get to capture footage of my brother, you know, reconnecting with family and friends and so on, because I was so caught up in the moment that I forget I was supposed to be taking you along. I don't even know how the airport scenes were captured, but I'll do my best to insert what I can. And like I said, I'll see you tomorrow. It's day 2, and we're on our way to the other home, having left the country home where I grew up. And but we have a few meetings, as I had mentioned yesterday, leading up, and we're gonna have something to eat. I'll tune back in at some point, not sure when yet, but if I don't tune back in, you know that was the end of the video, right? Take care.